So friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is FIIO EH11 and you can see it has more than 5,000 sales on FIIO official store on AliExpress, and I am really interested in this headphone, and I'm so excited to test this out. It's FIIO EH11 and it's transparent, and you can see that its price is just $32, but I will provide you a discount code as well, and it has 5 colors. So without further delay, let me unbox it and then we'll talk more about it. So friends, these are my first impressions to FIIO EH11. First of all, it is very lightweight, but it's not like a wind headphones. You probably have heard of FIIO wind headphones that were not that great, but this is lightweight, but you can feel that it is made up of something. And you can see the transparent side of FIIO EH11 as well. So first look of FIIO EH11 is very great, and you get USB Type-C cable, you get a user manual, 2 black earpads. I know they will sound very great because I haven't seen a single negative review of this product, so I am very excited. So let's test it and then I will come back with my short review section. Friends, so I have just used it and I will be very transparent to you guys, just like this transparent headphone, that I have used it only for 20 minutes and I was expecting this will be good, but not this much. They are super impressive, and the best part about this headphone is that its price is just unbelievable. It's just $32, and if you use the discount code it will be $28 or $29. So they are ultra low budget headphones, and they are lightweight and they are beautiful, and at the same time their sound is just so clear and transparent. And actually I can compare this sound to Soundpeak's Air 5 Pro, and you can listen to this headphone at very high volumes as well. They are so loud, even when your volume is 60 or 65%, they are just so loud. So that's a very good point to note as well. So at the end, I don't have anything else to say except this, that they are super impressive. I liked it. I was absolutely not expecting this to be that much good. I was expecting that they will be good. They are like, I actually want to give it 10 stars, not 5. They are very best, and that's the reason that they have 5,000 plus sales on FIIO official store on AliExpress. So I will provide you the link, and then you can use the discount code as well, and enjoy this headphone.